How to invite your friends on Helldivers 2. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. To invite your friends on a Helldivers 2, you can launch a Helldivers 2 first and foremost. Now Helldivers 2 actually supports crossplay between your PC and your PS5. So yes, you'll be able to cross-platform with a friend as well. Now, in order to invite your friends on your Helldivers 2, wait until your Helldivers 2 is completely loaded up. Once you are in the main lobby of your Helldivers 2, at the top you should find the social tab. Tap on it. To invite your friends, select on the friends option. Now, to invite your friend, you have to send them your very unique friend code, which will be at the bottom of the list. You can generate your unique friend code in the moment as well, or use a previous one by checking out your recent players as well. Once your friend code has been generated, you can share it along with a friend to whom you want to invite in the gameplay. Once they have accepted your request, you'll be able to play along with a friend on your Helldivers 2. Additionally, you also have to make sure that your matchmaking privacy is set on public or to only friends. For that, check out the options and head to your gameplay. Select on matchmaking privacy and set it either to public or friends. By this way, you'll be able to invite your friends on Helldivers 2. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.